Alright, what is going on? Welcome to the channel. Alright, we are here in Great Falls, Virginia, and someone just hit the coal roll, whatever. I can smell it, like straight diesel. Whew, it smells so bad. I wish I had the bio hazard mode in the Model 3, but we have it in the Model Y, it's not in the Model 3. Anyways, here we go. We are on Georgetown Pike testing out 12.5.4, and we are gonna do a hands-free test here, right? And here we go. In this video, we're gonna be testing out some real curvy roads, okay? And Georgetown Pike is known as one of the oldest highways here in Virginia, and they preserved it. They kept it as old looking as possible. If you're not from this area, you come over here and you want to go hiking, this is the place to go. You can park up right in any of these spots. Coming up here to the right, there's Difficult Run. Just right over here is a really nice park spot, and then you just go walking and there's so much rocks and really cool. There's a Tesla over there, very open parking right now. Fall leaves down. Here we go with the most difficult turn on the entire journey right here. There are some really curvy turns, but we are testing out FSD's latest Hardware 3 software. Who knows, you know, they might branch off one day, but right now, beautifully done with that very vicious turn right there. And here we go with the rest of the drive. And mind you, this is traffic time, so it's 5 p.m. on a weekday. And you can imagine being out here in the DC area, it can get pretty hefty. So FSD is nice in times like this. Hands-free especially. We're gonna do a test. If we have one single nudge in this entire video, then you don't hit like or comment. But if there's no nudges, but the nudge has to be my fault, right? I have to do something wrong for it to come. So I'm gonna try really hard not to do anything wrong. And the goal is to pay attention, right? Because paying attention can save your life in any situation, not just driving. So, you know, it's not a bad thing. So pay attention to this green light right here, and you will notice that as long as that green light is lit, no nudge. All right, so as soon as my eyeballs start wandering, and hopefully they don't, because my goal is to pay attention to what's in front of me, and then FSD will not bother you. But if you start, you know, acting up, grabbing your cell phone and doing things you're not supposed to be doing, trying to look into your glove box or whatever, right? Can't do it. And not while autonomous features are driving, because, you know, there's a few rules. Really, there's only two. One is, number one rule is the seatbelt. It won't work if you don't put the seatbelt on, so you gotta have that on. Number two rule is no phones in your hand. Passengers, backseat, whatever you want, all good. But I recommend in my car seatbelts for everybody. They can use their phones or whatever they want. Thinking about plastering an iPad in my back one day, if I still have this car, because the new cars have the rear, and I don't, you know, sit in the back seat unless I'm getting summoned, which is every once in a while. Make sure you check out some of those videos. You know, so if you're getting asked, you know, be in the back seat. But summon works in any seat, right? You could be sitting in the driver's seat, summon works. You can sit in the passenger seat, summon works. Your dog could be sitting in the driver's seat or the passenger seat or the back seat, and summon works, right? So, you know, I don't like to use summon unless my eyes are on the car or I'm in the car, right? Because who wants apps where you can't see it, right? You know, so it's just not, you know, you want to keep your eyes on actually smart summon. It's very important. You don't want to be like a dumb actually smart summon. So no nudges whatsoever still in this video, and we're gonna try to keep that going. Check this Kia out. Looks very heavily Model 3 inspired to me. I don't know why. Oh, sudden braking, but FSD handled it. And nice job with the left turn with the Kia. Anyways, FSD did a really nice job speeding right back up and following the car. And I really like driving down these roads when the weather is permissible, like today. If it's raining really bad, I don't come back down this way. You really can't even go hiking if it rained in the last 2-3 days, because the water levels rise really high. So when it's dry and summertime, this is the place to be. Yes, and there's a few other park up spots. We already passed them. There's more coming up too. That's where you see the waterfall. If you park up over here and you walk like a mile or two, then there's a really cool waterfall. I can't remember the name. I have to look it up. Drop a comment below if you can think of it, because if you've been out there, it's just a really cool waterfall. So yeah, Summon is cool. I'm so happy to see everyone finally getting Summon. You know, I just can't speak about it enough. Be careful, be careful, be careful. It works. It definitely works. But it's not about proving points. Now, if you find for some reason that it's raining or your car's in a puddle or something like that, and you got eyes on it and you want your car to come pick you up in front of the mall and you see it right there, by all means, summon it out, you know. Everybody's got to get some ass, you know, like, it's important, you know, so you gotta try Summon. It's actually smart Summon. It's really, it's pretty smart. So I guess if you don't have actually smart Summon, which Hardware 3 I don't think has, I think that's a Hardware 4 only thing, then it might be dumb actually smart Summon. Oh no, we got a nudge. Oh, that was because I touched my phone. I don't know why in the world I would do that. Oh my gosh, but guess what? The nudge went straight away. But I have to touch it, right? The rule was if I have to touch it, then no like or comment. So make sure you still hit like or comment and subscribe if you haven't yet. And Tesla Light Show coming up October 18th, Frederick, Maryland. So if you're from the area, be sure to check that out. We're going to be lighting up for world peace, so come out there and show your support. Be sure to follow Tesla Maryland on socials. Wow, here we go. Okay, let's see if we can get around this. No, too late. Too late. Alright, so we're just going to have to hang out here. And this is a really interesting spot because FSD does its thing, but you know, things get really tight over here, congested very quickly. So I do like to take over for this, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna let it run. So make sure you check out the socials for Simon Pollock, and that's Tesla Light Shows, and then also Tesla DMV, of course, and Tesla Maryland, which I'm on my way to right now. So be sure to check that out. Come out to the light show. Show your support for autonomous vehicles, safety, world peace, you know, whatever you like to support. Come out there and show it. So here we go. FSD really doing its thing. So I'm gonna leave you guys on a little treat here and show you. We're already 9 minutes into this video, so let's see. We don't want to cut it too long, but I want to see how FSD gets on to 495 for you guys. And oh, we had to take over because this person was getting awfully close, and I didn't like that. All right, here we go. And they thought that I wasn't gonna let them in or something. FSD is doing his thing really nicely, and I don't count that as a takeover. I just had to do it. Here we go with the left, and oh my god, the traffic. All right, if you like traffic, I don't understand you. But anyways, FSD does it for you, and if you just really love driving in traffic, then by all means, more power to you, because here we go. 495. If you know, you know. DMV area. Anyways, thanks again for watching this. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit that like button. More videos on the way. Tesla light show coming up soon, couple weeks out. It'll be, I don't know, I'm trying to push for some kind of spooky theme. You know, one of my co-workers that was a Tesla, he was like saying the Jack, what is it called, Nightmare Before Christmas. They do this is Halloween, and I think they do. Oh my God! Look, FSD's trying to get in. Look at the way it did it. Wow! And that's what I really wanted to show you guys and kind of cap off the video right there. So yeah, thanks again for watching. I am stuck in traffic now. Whoop-de-doo. Maybe we'll make another. Oh, look at that Cybertruck. Oh yeah, just like that. Orange, pink, brown. Not sure. Very cool. Rivian truck, very cool. Model Y performance, very cool. Don't think we're gonna pull up anytime close to the Cybertruck. So thanks again for watching, and have a great one.